Numbers 8 and 9 on Lacerna's review for the Unit 5 test. This is the first review, and notice that for 8 and 9, these are both dealing with special right triangles, and I drew each of those two special right triangles that we have to be familiar with. The first one's the 30, 60, 90, and the second one's 45, 45, 90. Now, number 8 gives us this diagram. It says if A equals 8, so I'm going to put an 8 there, in the right triangle below, what is the value of C and B? And notice they already have the 30 degrees at the bottom, which means that this missing angle has to be 60. So it's basically this 30, 60, 90 just turned upside down. Now they're giving us this A value which corresponds to the 1. So they're giving us this short piece. Now if you look at the hypotenuse is 2, which means it's basically double that length. So if I take this original length A, or 8 that they gave us for A, and I double it, I multiply by 2, that'll give me the hypotenuse here. So 8 times 2, that's 16. So I know C is now 16. Now the longer leg B corresponds with 1 square root 3. And notice that in this original pattern, remember that the 1 and the 1 match. So whatever number's on this short piece goes right in front of that square root 3. And they've given us that number 8. So instead of 1 and 1 square root 3, it's 8 and 8 square root 3. Number 9 asks us for the length of AB in the triangle below. There's AB. This now is matching up with the 45, 45, 90. These drawings on the angles mean we can assume that these two angles are congruent, which means that they are going to indeed be 45 and 45. So now, since we have both 45s, the two legs that make the right angle are the same length. These are both 1s. This is a 22, which means this is also 22, which means now we can look at this pattern to get the hypotenuse, which is what they're asking us for, AB. 1, 1, and 1 all match. Those are all the same number, which means that that same pattern has to happen here. So if I make this square root 2, the number in front here has to match the two legs that we know already are 22. So it's 1, 1, 1 square root 2, 22, 22, 22 square root 2, and there's your length of AB.